channel. I didn't upload for a while, and I'm working on a new. I'm working on a new tutorial for Minecraft bots, and we'll be doing actually about factions, faction stop status, and some interesting things. But the video is about actually this is my testing Discord about dark codes, leakies, dark. No, it's just codes. That's the vanity URL. We are currently at 800 members, and I did a poll a few days ago. Actually, how long was that ago? Um, that was 5 days ago, and people voted. um, I'm cool. I have a cold. Discord voted and events explained a bit better. I did spell it wrong here, but yeah, that's what we're doing today. So this will be like plain coding. I don't have anything prepared for that. So if we get some errors, we get some errors. So first of all, let's get Visual Studio Code open. We'll be using Discord.js. It's a library, and the only thing going is YouTube folder. It's only here. I'm located in it, and yeah. Dark code. So what do you want to type first is npm init dash y, and what that does, it's actually initialize the packages the JSON file, and yeah, the whole application gets initialized. So you don't need to enter anything. It's just yes for everything. What we'll do now, we'll just open up an editor really fast, and we will just change the main to main.js, and that will be it. Then we'll do npm I or install discord dot. We'll install a few basic dependencies, better SQLite3, ms moment, pretty ms. Is there anything else like we would need? No, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, I hope. If it's not, we'll just add it later. Okay, while we're here, let's create a file. You can create a file by clicking this button or right-clicking here, pressing new file, and main.js. Call it handlers, and in here it will be a command handler, and yeah, we can do that, and we can do new folder, and we can do structures, and let's just, okay, I'll do that a bit faster because I don't like typing. cd, actually, know what, scratch that, scratch handlers, we don't need that, but we need two more things. ls cd source mkdir, that means make directory. We'll call it commands, and we'll call it events, and that's pretty much it. So let's go here and let's do const client require discord.js. Okay, const pet. Is it pet? No, I think it's just pet. Yeah. Const fs equals require fs promises. What is dot promises? It's will exports fs promises basically. You can do fs dash promises, but we won't do that. We'll just I'm just using it like that. It's a bit more clear. It's like basic fs module. Just I don't know, my preference, I guess. We'll create new class and we can make a core, or we can make a main file. So I might change it into a core and move it into structures and then make a normal file. So we'll decide it later. So class boot extends client. This will just extend the client, and this is the basic class object. And then we'll do constructor, and then we'll do super. I believe it's options. And then we can have methods here, and we'll register basically commands and events. But for that we'll need a bit of code. So what we can do actually is, yeah, we can reuse it here. Okay, so let's do async register. Let's do async get commands directory. This is a method, by the way. This is not a function, it's a method. It will say it right here. But if we do function like async function get commands, it will say that this is a function. So const file path equals path dot join directory name, and then there. So that's one thing. Then we need const files await fs dot read dir file path, and we can change it to something else. Location. Now we have files. Then we do for, and I forgot I can do that, for const file of files. Now we're making a for loop. We just loop, it will go through all of the files inside the directory files, or location, whatever you want to call it. And pretty much so let's check if it's a directory. It's add.join, I believe. I have to get it out of my head. I usually just copy paste those, but that's location file. I think that's it. Oh, that was just my glass. So if stat dot is directory, and I believe that's a method, then we can do this dot register. Oh, it's not a register, it's a get command, and then we can do is path dot join video and file. And then if file ends with .js, which it should, so if file dot ends with .js, and then we want to make an if statement, and if it doesn't, then I mean we could just return here if it doesn't, and then continue going downwards. Oh, I just realized something. We need to do something before registering commands or events. We have to go to structures, and let's do cd structures, and let's just touch command.js, and let's just touch event.js really fast. Let's go here, and let's just do exports command exports class no model dot exports equals class command constructor name alias and let's just do description this dot name equals name this dot and then this dot des equals description. That should be it, and we can do the same for event. And I'll just copy paste it, why not? And you just want to do name, I believe. I'm pretty sure it's just that here. Yes. Now we need to require those things, so let's go to the top and let's just go base event slash command. So const command so require it's not no, never mind, it's like that, and then it's structures, and then it's command, and then we can do the same thing for event. Event. That should do it. And then if this is that, we can do command equals require add a giant location and file, and if command dot prototype instance of command command, then we can continue. So if whatever the command is, if the structure is the same as command, like in the base command, base event, which we have in here, then it will register it. If it's not, it won't register it. That's what prototype does. And pretty much then we can just do const cmd equals new command, that's an object, it's creating a new instance, so this is the commands dot set cmd dot name cmd. Then we just need to do cmd dot alias dot for each. Oh, we don't have alias. We can add alias. We have alias, yes, never mind. Oh, you know what we can do? Never mind. Alias. But alias must be in. If it's not, we'll just do or an array, because it needs to be an array. So and then this dot command dot set alias this is one way to do it. So, and I just realized that I forgot to do something at the start in the constructor. So these dot commands equals new map. So that's a new map. These dot events equals new map. And these dot prefix equals some prefix which will be dot for our case. And I'll just leave it like that. Where do we have that? Oh, it's right here. It's a bit of nesting, but yeah, it doesn't really matter. This should be it. We can test it out really fast. We create a new file, test.js, model.exports. So class test command extend command const command equals require commands no structures command. So this should be it, and then we should do async run because this is a class, so we can use a method which is run, and we can do client and then args and whatever we need in here, message I believe. We can also initiate super, which has to be in constructor I believe. Yeah, super name test, and then we can do alias is nothing. We can do this is test command. I'm pretty sure this should work. This is for commands, and let's just try it. This actually won't do anything because we won't log in, but let's just create a method to log in, or let's make a method create, and we can do create, and then why not this dot login. Some token. Let's just create in another application. I'll just create a new application. It will be a personal one, so it will be test. No. Dark codes. Create. Boot. Add boot. Yes, do it. Let's turn that off. I'll go here. Let's give it the scope of boot, and let's get permission admin. How do you go to that? Never mind. Let's just go here. Let's invite the board in, and that should be it. Oh, but then it doesn't work. There we go, it's authorized. We need a token though, so let's go with that. Let's go here, save that, go here, ls, cd, node main. I think we'll get some errors. Oh wait, we won't, you know why? This dot create. Well, actually, let's not do that. Let's not do that. Okay. Const client equals new both. It's lowercase b, so it's b. Both dot create. No, let's fuck me. Client on ready. Console.log works. This should log in. Okay, so it does work. It. Let's just client dot commands. Okay, but it's empty map. I don't know why. Oh, we are not. Get commands. Wonder why. Ah, there we go. So it does work. Listen, it does not work. We need to create async get events there. This is similar process. Actually, I'll just copy paste it. I'll copy paste everything in here, because why not? We have to do a few things differently. Get events with .js command const event instance of event, so event equals new event, this dot events dot set event dot name event, and we can get complete rid of that, and then we have to do this dot on event dot name event dot name event dot run dot bind event and this. What this will do, I'll show what this will do. New file ready.js const event equals require okay, that's all. Dot exports equals class ready event extends event, and that's pretty much. And what you have to do in super, you have to specify the exact event that's happening. So constructor super, you have to put in the name, which is ready, and then async run client, and actually just client here. And then what we can do is log this as event file, and we cannot forget to do this dot get events. And we can kill the crash and create a new one, and then we get command is not defined. Oh, so I guess this is the error we're getting in somewhere here. 5117, yeah, right here. So event. Okay, there we go. This is event file. We get works, which works still, it will still get executed before that because it's requiring and logging in before. So, but now we should be able to remove this and have a functional bot. And what we can do now is create a new event, message.js, which we can copy everything in here, paste it in here, and let's just rename it to message. Let's make it a bit better. Message. Console.log. There we go. Message.outer.tag. Let's do it like that. And now if we open up Discord when this loads up, we can see that Darkode's bot is here, and if we type A, it will say my Discord and then A, so the content. So this we can just type hello, and there we go. So we have events functioning. So now we have to do is all the crap stuff which I don't really want to do, so I'll just copy paste it, don't mind me. Actually, if we go to the Darkode's bot, and if we go right here, we go back, I made a giveaway bot which has the same structure as you can see, but the only thing I'm gonna take out, and there is a custom event if you noticed, and I will explain that in a bit. I will take out message event. Okay, I need that. I need to open that with Visual Studio Code right here, and I need to take that out. I'm pretty sure something like that. No, this one goes here. Yeah, okay, it's like that. I'll copy that. I'll go to message, to my message event. I will delete everything in here and I'll paste that in. So this will now work. This command works. I will do that. Let me just see something. Sorry, the message client.prefix.length. Yeah, okay. So client.prefix. Did we define that? I forgot. I think we did. Yeah, okay, we did. Okay, so if we kill the process, we go back that. So we can do test and we get a response that it works. So this is basic eventing and handling and structures and everything. And yeah, pretty much I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and this is not the end of it yet. I'll continue doing this series, and the next episode will be actually custom events, so I hope you're ready for the next one. So peace out, and that's about it, literally. Bye bye.